hard to describe. It's art, sure, but it's also a commentary on our society. It's beautiful and tragic all at once.
Wow. I hope one day you can show me this butt clap compilation.
Come on, Trav, we're leaving. Now!
Oh, well, looks like I gotta go. But can I get your number? Oh, right. Can I get your email? Oh, right.
You could write me a romantic letter, and then I could write you one back, and we'll sit by the mailbox and wait for the postman to arrive each day, hoping against hope.
Yeah, I'm not doing that.
I get it, it's a lot. Mwah.
Best trip ever!
Abby, pull over!